of course, it's been really good because as an athlete, I think it's very important to do the tests and make sure how strong you are and in which ways you can improve. So that is one of the reasons I've come here, and I've come a couple of times now, and I think Sai Bangalore has been very helpful, and I think the whole fraternity has been very kind enough to make sure everything was on point, and whatever I've come here for, I think everything was fulfilled. I think our main motto was, generally when an athlete is injured, or let's say to check how important it is to maintain her strength and fitness levels. I think this is one of the aspects for an athlete that you need to make sure you are completely fit and 100%. So I think that is one of the reasons I've come here, and of course. Praveen sir has been taking care of whatever is required. So today I'm here because of that only, that I had to make sure that test my strength levels and what I need to do to improve it more.
You've been playing some tournaments now, but if you were to give us a check as to how your fitness is and where you stand currently, what would you say?
Well, fitness levels are good, training good, and of course, Nirvansha, my coach, he's been training me, and everything is going on well. And I think there's definitely a lot of scope to improve as well. So that is why we keep regularly check on our body conditions, or physically how we are and mentally how we are, so that we make sure that we can improve and which aspects to improve in.
सरकार प्रधानमंत्री जी खुद खिलाड़ियों से मिलते हैं, बातचीत करते। ये सरकार और साई खेलों को बढ़ावा देने के लिए इस वक्त क्या लग रहा है, कुछ ज्यादा बेहतर कर रही है, कैसे देखते हैं आप?
बहुत सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं। पीएम सर ने भी हमेशा स्पोर्ट्स के बारे में बात करते रहते हैं और बहुत सपोर्ट भी किया था, और हमेशा हम ओलंपिक्स के पहले जाते टाइम या कॉमनवेल्थ कोई भी कॉम्पिटिशन्स हो, खुद जूम कॉल्स पे सब एथलीट्स के साथ बात करते थे. तो आई थिंक इट्स अ वेरी गुड Prime Minister sir or the whole government has been very supportive, and I think Sports Authority of India and also our associations have been very supportive. I think not only that, but I think Khelo India, yeah, they're coming forward, and also tops are coming forward and supporting each athlete, not only the seniors, not only top athletes, but juniors को भी बहुत support कर रहे हैं. So I think it's a very good thing for the athletes, not only me but also the youngsters who need to come up and give their best.
सिंधु, ये स्पोर्ट्स साइंस सेंटर जो है एक एथलीट के लिए, एक प्लेयर हैं, कितना इम्पोर्टेंट रोल प्ले करता है, और आप यहाँ पर आए तो आपको क्या लगता है कि यहाँ पर आने के बाद जो भी आउटपुट है आने वाले टाइम में कमबैक कर पाएंगे?
No, definitely. मतलब मैं I just came here couple of times, but मेरे पापा भी इधर थे जब उन्होंने वॉलीबॉल खेल रहे थे, तब इधर आके इधर रुके थे साई सेंटर में. Back then it was very different. Lot of improvement has been there, and I've heard that there will be much more improvement coming forward. So I think सिर्फ मैं नहीं, but also hockey players, Olympic medalists have been here. They've been training here. इधर camps है, and also नीरज have come here. तो हर एक एथलीट के लिए ऐसे सेंटर बहुत important है, and definitely मेरे लिए भी, to make sure everything is on point. And I think he will be a better person to explain, क्योंकि प्रवीण sir has been here for a very long time. So
प्रवीण जी, क्या कौन से टेस्ट के थ्रू गुजरी हैं सिंधु?
आज हमने आइसोकिनेटिक, हमारी टीम ने आइसोकिनेटिक टेस्ट किया है सिंधु का, और हमने जो भी मांसपेशियां इनके शोल्डर जॉइंट पे कार्य करती हैं, हिप जॉइंट पे और नी जॉइंट पे जो मांसपेशियां कार्य करती हैं, उसके स्ट्रेंथ लेवल्स हमने चेक किए हैं. हमने ऑलरेडी कंसाइज रूप में डिस्कशन किया है, और डिटेल रिपोर्ट विल बी सेंडिंग सून टू हर.
Sindhu, I just wanted to ask you one question. When you have injuries or performances in tournaments are not as per your liking, how do you work on, say, a mental block? And just in addition to it, when there's so much wrong that's happening around the world as well, does sport become your safe space? And do you, work more on your mental space?
Well, definitely yes, because I think when, as you said, when athletes are injured, or when things are not going right, I think it's very important to go back to basics and make sure everything is right. and I think sometimes it hits you really hard mentally. Sometimes you might be physically strong enough, but mentally you might not be in the right place. I think definitely at that point of time you need to just go back to your safe place and start from the basics and make sure mentally you are strong enough, because a lot of people might focus on physical aspect and on court what is happening, but off court sometimes it's very hard to dictate, or it's really hard to understand what's going in an individual athlete. So yes, mental aspect definitely plays a major role in this. At the same time, we've been in sport for a very, very long time. I mean, you also need to have that belief and hope that that's what we do. I mean, at the end of the day, we will keep playing sport. It's not that, we will stop because of that one particular reason, or we're losing or not able to come up. But it's important also to understand that, it definitely takes time for everything, but definitely things will change.
सिंधु गवर्नमेंट के 11 साल पूरे हुए हैं मोदी गवर्नमेंट के 2024 एंड नाउ वी आर इन 25। स्पोर्ट्स में क्या डेवलपमेंट आप देख रही हैं जो कि पहले और अब के मुकाबले?
डेफिनेटली बहुत स्कीम्स, नए नए स्कीम्स आ चुके हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल खेलो इंडिया, उसमें बहुत जूनियर्स आ रहे हैं खेल रहे हैं, और व्हेन दे विन उनको अपॉर्चुनिटी मिल रहा है बाहर जाने के लिए. एट द सेम टाइम टॉप स्कीम्स जो यंगस्टर्स को, जूनियर्स को और सीनियर्स को भी बहुत सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं, सो दैट दे गेट टू प्ले इन इंटरनेशनल सर्किट एंड मेक श्योर दे गेट दैट कॉन्फिडेंस. एंड आई थिंक नॉट ओनली दिस बट ऑल्सो अ लॉट ऑफ टूर्नामेंट्स एंड सपोर्ट भी मिल रहे हैं गवर्नमेंट से. So I mean, we are very grateful that क्योंकि हमको we are getting all the opportunity that we need, and whatever is required, Sports Authority at the same time TOPS have been very kind enough to give the support.